of income-generating real estate assets. Let me turn now to pension reforms. Mr. Speaker, pension coverage in Kenya currently stands at 22% of the working population, leaving majority of Kenyans without a pension cover. This underscores the need to extend pension coverage to the informal sector, which constitutes the majority of our workforce. To this end, Mr. Speaker, the government is working on a national pensions policy to address key concerns on coverage, portability of schemes, reciprocal arrangements to address concerns of Kenyans in the diaspora, and mitigate the fragmentation in the sector. In furtherance of the ideals at the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, the National Treasury has established an innovative scheme, the Kenya National Enterprise Savings Trust, KNEST, with a focus on the population in the informal segment of the economy. In order to promote uptake of the scheme, we will deliberately form strategic partnership to facilitate voluntary pension contributions for individuals in this sector and to continue to explore options to provide diverse pension solutions for self-employed individuals. Mr. Speaker, to effectively administer the public service pensions, the National Treasury will invest in modern technology and digital solutions to streamline pension processes and improve service delivery. In this regard, public service schemes will provide user-friendly online platforms that allow the pensioners to access their pension statements, make inquiries, and update their personal information conveniently. The government continues to implement public service superannuation schemes with the end goal of easing the burden of pension payments by the government. Me turn to insurance reforms, Mr. Speaker. In the past 2 years, the insurance sector has grown by 36 billion shillings from a premium of 273 billion. The industry has also attracted investment from key multinational players. In order to further enhance the growth of the sector, the Insurance Regulatory Authority has rolled out a micro-insurance framework that will contribute to increase penetration coverage for the individuals with low incomes. The authority will strengthen private insurance's role in the universal health care coverage, promote crop and livestock insurance, as well as support insurance for MSMEs. Mr. Speaker, there are no deterrent measures under the Insurance Act to motivate accountability and observance of directors' duties as well as senior managers' professional responsibilities. To address this shortcoming, I have submitted to this House Insurance Amendment Bill 2023 to provide for offences relating to the management of an insurer. In addition, the bill will contain other amendments aimed at enhancing the efficiency of the Insurance Regulatory Authority in regulating the insurance industry. Let me turn to Circle Society's reforms, Mr. Speaker. The